I like how this song, how the vocals is on it. Just like you want it. For the freeway, like that. Freeway. Then, whatever song you do. Yeah.
Well, the water won't go in there. So
no, sir.
Washing the bike, I just gotta kind of watch out.
Yeah. Well, you can't pressure wash it, because pressure washing you get to your speaker. But if you come to hand wash it, no, you're not gonna get no water in the bags that way. No, sir.
Right.
And
I know how to wash my shit.
Oh yeah, you've had quite a few bikes that we just talked about earlier. So. What you want to hear, man? You want to hear one? You want to hear? You won't hear? I got something you won't hear somewhere.
Yeah, just play anything.
Let me see something. Let me back up here, because I just made up a one that said Bay Area Classics a little few days back, because I was gonna put on oh, let's go with the.
But ain't gonna do it.
Ain't gonna do it. Ain't gonna do it.
Check this out. That's what I ain't gon' do. Ride 3 gold things with 1 hubcap to white. That's what I ain't gon' do. Meet at the club and not try to fuck tonight. No, that's what I ain't gon' do. Marinate, make you niggas wait and I have my shit tight. That's what I ain't gon' do. Catch a Remy Jones, hit the store and only flip a half pint. That's what I ain't gon' do.
What you thinking, man? What's your opinion?
Sound good, bro.
Okay.
It's loud as a motherfucker.
The goal is to be loud and clear. You ain't gonna play that loud, you know.
Yeah,
but let me roll a little forward, because this gate will do some automatic stuff on us. And y'all be mad at myself. I'm gonna catch it, but the gate, it would just do some closing shit by itself. Right. But yeah, have a seat up on there, man. You know what I'm saying? To it from the point of view of somebody else. Right. Now you in the rider position. Back to what the show in progress.
Let my big cousin rock my rollie to the club tonight. No, that's what I ain't gon' do. Flip a new biz and tear my shit up the same night. That's what I ain't gon' do. Hit that cigar if it ain't filled up with light. No, that's what I ain't gon' do. Need a bitch, and if she don't fuck, take a little bitch to get the bike. That's what I ain't gon' do. You know what I'm saying? Some shit just ain't gon' happen. That's what I ain't gon' do. The motherfuckers be getting mad at the nigga.
Ladies and gentlemen, whoa, I'd like to introduce y'all to somebody you already know.
You're choosing, ain't it?
A man. A man. Ladies and gentlemen, showing up to get chose tonight. Ride my leather and wood. Hey, it's gonna feel dynamite. All the fly girl looking so good. Choosing. You choosing that. Go ahead, daddy. You choosing that.
Singing music, let me see something.
E-music ain't that loud, huh? E music ain't that loud.
No, it ain't got no fairing. And because it's a Road King.
Right.
And Road Kings, you can't get all the separation I can do how I'm doing this right here.
Right.
He won't. If he committed to bag lids, then we could get some action as in the vocal game step even more. Right now he has lower here and the back tweeter in the back.
Right. Oh, he ain't got nothing up top.
No, he ain't got up top. So, but where I went with the new style. If we roll through here, y'all, let me see something. All blues, let me see something. Bay Area Classic, Caribbean Ride. Even, I got a one that has Music Ride to, let's see, Oldies, Steal the Crowd. These are songs that I know that will steal the crowd. Right. Like, for example, this R. Kelly, even if people, R. Kelly's in jail, it's bad for the situation, but this song right here, now you may not play it that loud, but, you know,